The NVIDIA Jetson Orin NX is a compact device offering impressive artificial intelligence performance, reaching up to 100 tera operations per second, which is perfect for edge AI applications. Despite its small size, the device is fully equipped with essential components like a cooling fan and a heatsink, ensuring optimal performance and reliability for demanding tasks. The Orin NX is designed with expandability in mind, featuring multiple connectivity options, including 4 USB 3.2 ports, HDMI 2.1, and M.2 slots, making it versatile for various projects. Pre-installed with the NVIDIA JetPack system on a 128GB NVMe solid-state drive, it supports numerous AI frameworks and software platforms, accelerating the development process. The device complies with major safety and environmental standards, including FCC, CE, and RoHS, providing users with peace of mind regarding its quality and safety. It is important to note that while the device comes with a power adapter, users may need to purchase a separate adapter for certain configurations.